get it. Gets a gut. Then show. Really? That's inspired in freaking Portugal. That's definitely killing some people there, but especially Kobe too. What the fuck? One Piece episode 1112. You gotta rush through these to really get to the actual episodes coming out right now. This episode came out like a year ago. And from what I've seen, Captain Kito is going up against Akagami no Shanks. And this episode is starting very cinematic. In a very cinematic way. All I think about it, his jacket looks a lot like freaking Doflamingo's jacket. Eustace Quito. Several hours ago. This is actually pretty fucking funny. At least, from what I thought I understood, this one is the useless one, the one that just gets to eat, sleep, and shit or whatever. But I guess she had plans of her own, and she was also smart enough to trick everybody else. Damn, the cloud sounds just like freaking cement. That's funny. I guess they still have some personality into them. Wasn't she gonna become a celestial dragon? Or was this something that was decided afterwards? So isn't she behind the freaking destruction of the CP6, 5, or 7, freaking 8 freaking boats when they arrived there? Oh. Wasn't that Blackbeard's boat? 3 heads. That's not Blackbeard's. I know Blackbeard's boat is freaking ugly. Technically, you didn't beat one. You had help. But I guess Kid as a thing for overestimating himself. At least he faced a lot of them. He faced freaking, he didn't face Whitebeard. He faced Kaido, got his ass handed to him. Faced Big Mom, got his ass handed to him, but leveled up and freaking defeated him with Law. So how was he gonna do against Shanks? Let's see it. It's not like they had a trading arc or something. Puru. Was that freaking Shanks crew? They don't look strong at all. Damn, this guy, Shanks is probably even weirder picking his teammates than freaking Luffy. At least the guys in his actual boat look strong. Who are these guys? Okay. Damn, are these guys all part of his crew? They all look very lighthearted. Bro, how many years has it been since I listened to that laugh? 10? Almost? Yeah, 2015 and I started watching One Piece. 10 years, bro. So they are weak? So they are weak. Does he have a big freaking, how do you say, brigade or fleet? But he's all weak. It's all weak freaking pirates. Usopp. Was that Usopp? With an A? Never seen that guy. Okay. Even though it does look kind of useless, but with all the freaking cannonballs that be coming out and shit, Kid's freaking ability at magnetism at the sea is actually pretty dope. Or pretty freaking dangerous. Damn. The animation is going crazy here. Oh. Is he gonna do something? Is Shanks gonna do something? Why, guess not. There goes his freaking mouthpiece. Jeez. You guys are dead. Oh shit. What happened? Didn't get it. No, be too much damage. Did it happen already? Oh, that was just his hockey? Jeez, bro, that's like... he said 10 seconds, so... He saw 10 seconds. Damn. There comes the Hawk. And... there he is. You wanted him? There you go. Woo! Completely destroy his arm. Even the cannonballs went. Damn! Is he gonna defeat him in one hit? Just like that? One hit, bro? Well, we never get to extend this fucking fight with Shanks. Damn, this is looking like a freaking eulogy or something, bro. Is that a dream? Damn. Guess you bit a lot more than you can chew, bro. Man, this episode is really sounding like a eulogy. Man, did he die or something? Or is he leveling up again? When did the cover? When? In the meanwhile, he got defeated as well? Jeez. With one hit? Does that mean that freaking Shanks is stronger than Kaido? And Big Mom? Cause they took some hits to get rid of freaking Kid. Damn, you're giving it just like that? Well, he did say that. Side bombardment incoming. Oh, he's still alive. Oh, you guys are so dead. Chibiningen. Woo! Been a minute. Gets a gut. Then show. There There goes Captain freaking Kid. Were destroyed. Does that mean dead? What does that mean? Okay, we get it, we get it, we get it. Yeah, I'm just gonna watch the next episode. Kid, really, bro, you just be. At least you could make another alliance or whatever, bro. It's just sucking. That last one he did, he got fucked up. He got backstabbed. Like, do another one, bro. This is still Shanks. This is one of the older freaking emperors, bro. Besides, it was not even you or Law that came out as an emperor. It was Luffy, because he defeated Kaido. So just you attacking alone, Shanks at one of his own turfs, pretty much. That was like all of his fleet was there. That was weird, but yeah. Not gonna watch this. On to the next episode. Okay. I like that we're shifting attentions from one stuff happening in the plot to another. That's actually cool. Oh yeah, isn't that Ghost Lady? One of Zoro's many potential love relationships. Perona. Damn, that laugh. Still don't know how to defend this thing. If not with hockey though. Like really, before hockey, we were like whatever, bro. Whatever happens, happens. You really have to go down the luck to defeat these opponents, which was cool. Which was cool in a certain way, almost like a JoJo episode. Okay, well, where is this? There's Kobe. Damn, no motherfucker died. They ain't feeding those guys? Still the same Kobe, I guess. Is this in the past? I do think so too. But where's this? Yeah, those lines are blurry. Oh, it's in Pirate Island. But did they have Gecko Moria there? Like, bro, we never seen money on One Piece, bro. Never. I don't remember seeing it once. Huh? That's a pirate bounty now for Marine's head? That's funny. Are those people he freed? That shit is alive? Who the fuck is that? Is it like Pico or something? They ain't running. Fuck it, I'm not strong, bro. They're gonna get slapped for doing it. I'll fruit. Some broken stuff we put here. Who's this guy? Glug glug fruit. Does it mean he drinks a lot? They have a giant in his group? Or just in that island? In that Never look forward for that shit to happen. Classic. I can already tell this is gonna be an episode of a lot of time wasting. How are they gonna get out after they reach the sea though? Did Perona tell you how to do that? Oh. Affiliated. Not worth a thing. I want to know as well. Damn, they changed my man's freaking voice actor. This one is a cool one too, but well, I guess that's not really the plan. Or does he really want to go through with it? Whose boat is that? Is that Garp? Damn, did I shoot my man? Is Garp a sword too? What is this guy? What the fuck is that? Is that somebody's power or something? It looks like it. Whose power is that? Well, this episode just keeps on showing me weird stuff. What the fuck sense does that even make? She talking to a motherfucking building. Kujaku, granddaughter of Tsuda, whip fruit. Tsuru, I think, is that old lady. Are you gonna fight Kobe or something? They can't kill you, so... You know that's stupid when you got... You're surrounded with the crossfire is gonna... Oh. Is that Smoker? Hey, long time no see. Oh no, that's Garp. Okay, let's just go to the next episode straight away, no, non-stop. Let's go. Oh yeah, I couldn't. The Fist of Garp. What do you mean this many? They're freaking common freaking weaklings. What the fuck are you talking about, bro? That's not necessarily Kairoseki or whatever, but this is being over dramatic, I guess. Why did he jump upwards? I really thought there was some genjutsu stuff going on, but yeah. Really? That's inspired in freaking Portugal. That's fucking let's fucking go. That's from the Portuguese Revolution. 25th of April. She shot him? How did she do that though? Another sword. What? He's what? Marine HQ Rear Admiral? He's an admiral? Really? Well, they have no infiltration or water underneath or whatever, so... But buildings still have foundations or stuff like that, so it ain't supposed to be that easy. Oh shit, what? What? What the fuck is happening? What the fuck do you mean? What the fuck was that? He wants to help the people? What is he doing? Didn't get it. Well, I love these stupid characters in One Piece. He's unfazed. Is he falling in slow motion or something? Oh, okay. Damn. No need to go that hard for freaking low-life pirates, but I guess you will. In this case, the animation team, though. Boat is still flying. I don't get that. Well, I guess you need to get Kobe out of the freaking way. That's definitely killing some people there, but... Especially Kobe too. What the fuck? They finally figured it out. Besides the songs and ending songs, if you have a lot of animation to some stuff, you can burn a lot of time in one episode. I bet you that punch didn't last like one chapter. He killed Kobe. Damn. Falling with his both feet. Just or straight up ore farming. How is the boat falling though? Where is the boat even falling to though? They're not dead. Safe. They're still alive. Besides, you're the only one that's waking up though. He thought he did more damage. Can we release this guy from his chains or something? Why is Tashigiri working on the Garp? Oh shit. Ice Age. Frozen. She did. Why her though? I thought he was gonna freeze the all of the place. They're still coming. Aokiji. And he's not doing the da 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 thing. I'm offended, bro. Yeah, we know that. And that was in Pankazad. But to leave the Marines to be a pirate is kind of weird. Looks like somebody has something on him. But that would be weird. He's an admiral, so... But... Teach knows something nobody else does. Is that what we're going to be shown here? Where is that? Is that his island? Or the Beehive? Jeez. Why isn't he doing the da thing? Really? That's what he's calling it? Okay, a couple of episodes outside of the freaking crew. The first one had nothing to do with the other two, but like, I guess that was the end of Captain Skid's freaking journey, or not. But he only served to kill Big Mom, but it took one emperor out of the way. But I don't know if he's really out or not. They had one of the road poneglyphs, but I think they're really out, bro. In one shot, that was kind of... They did him dirty. Honestly, they did him dirty. And these two episodes were about saving Kobe. Actually, bro, we haven't followed Kobe in a long time. I know since the Marine Ford, he's been a hero and whatever, but it doesn't really feel like it. We don't know how strong he is. And in this episode, he was very passive or whatever. And why did Perona, of all people, would be releasing him? And how is Gecko Moria being held there, or why? Doesn't make no sense. Or at least don't make no sense to me now. Kuzan being on the side of the pirates is something that we still have to figure out. And why? I would think that he would be doing his own thing, but being a pirate, well, he's not necessarily a pirate, he's just doing his own thing. But being affiliated with the Blackbeard, is definitely a pirate. No, but don't know what he's doing. But I guess I have to watch the next episodes to see. But I know he's fighting freaking Garps for sure, and most likely getting his ass beat. Everybody's getting his ass beat by the old Garp. It's enough of defeating emperors or super strong people. The old guard is gonna kick some asses. So I think that's gonna happen in the next episodes. So stay so long, and damn, that's way back. Jeez, didn't even remember that guy was doing that before. Anyway, stay so long, and I'm out.
I once knew a chick named